Hi guys, OA traffic, 'di ba? OA din ang dami ng tao sa mall dahil sa Christmas rush. Kung ako sa inyo, sa Lazada na lang ako magsha-shopping ng pamasko. Hindi ko kailangan makapag-agawan sa parking. Tama. Pero ito, may isi-share ako sa inyo. Lazada's top 100 deals where you can get up to 80% off on items. Perfect for your loved ones this Christmas. Simplest dehumidifier, 80% off. Okay, I am buying this para di na ako bumili ng disposable. Perfect for my bedroom. Olay Total Effects. Grabe, up to 50% off for anti-aging. Wait, may vouchers pa. Add to cart na yan. Okay, next. Huawei Watch GT5 series. 27% off. Actually, matagal ko na tong gusto. Now, I can afford it. Look how cool that interface is and marami rin siyang features. Okay, ang laki ng discount nitong TCL Inverter Aircon. 55% off. It's perfect for the fam. And with Lazmall, alam mong legit. My last pick, the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Grabe yung 39% off. And this is perfect for your partner, girlfriend, or mom. Can't go wrong with Dyson. Diba? Grabe ang all-out Pasko sale ng Lazada. Happy shopping! By the way, I will drop the link sa comment section in my IG highlights, at saka sa clickable link sa IG stories. Happy 12/12! Happy holidays, guys!